Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And myself Bala here. So we are SEBI AMFI registered mutual fund distributor, and now we started Logi FinTech as a AMFI registered corporate mutual fund distribution. In this video, so we are going to use a scanner to find out a good liquid fund. Okay, so we normally use many scanners and screeners in stocks, and now we are also using the scanners and screeners to find out the better mutual fund. And this is what my first video regarding this kind of scanners and screeners in mutual fund. So maybe this will help you to find out such a good funds using scanners and screeners. And maybe if you are new to my channel and the new to the topic of mutual fund distribution, and you can just subscribe and watch, so you'll be getting many more regarding mutual fund insights will be available on our channel hereafter. Okay, so the liquid fund, so it is a type of debt mutual fund which is invest for a short term and quick liquidity. So comparatively it is slightly greater than the bank. So that is what the normal thing which we know already about the liquid fund. So mostly it is a low risk one, because we are invest for a short term and high credit rated instrument. They are starting investing, and minimum credit and interest rate risk on those funds, and also be shorter maturity. If I have funds for next 6 months, 4 months or 1 year, I can park into the liquid categories, and I can get the returns be slightly higher than the banks in savings account. Okay, so that is what the liquid fund will help us to park our fund for a short term, and it is better than the savings account and quicker liquidity, where you can withdraw money very quickly from that kind of funds comparatively equity funds. Okay, and also be the tax efficient on this, and capital gain tax will be applicable on the return, but we are going to use it for a shorter term. So how I'm just going to find out that better funds from the category, but I'm using this particular tool for a ticker tape to find out such a best category. So what I'm just using with this scanner, I'm just category should be debt category, because that is comes under the debt fund. So from there I will be finding out the liquid funds. Okay, shorter duration. So liquid funds which I'm going to use it here. The step by step I'm going to filter out, and plan of that liquid is a growth plan which I'm just going to select. So how many funds within the growth category? Almost 38 funds. So from there I'm just going to filter out that best ones, and one more category plan which you have selected. The first one is an liquid funds, and the second which you are selecting based on the 1 year return here. So 1 year return, so we will start it. So we have a lot of funds here, like Edelweiss, Canara, Repoco, Aditya Birla and DSP liquid funds are there in the top list. So based on the last 1 year performance, whatever the performance which you are showing here, it is not about a future performance. Already we have a disclaimer: past performance of the funds would not be an indication of the future expectation, but this is what the based on the past history. So we are filtering out the top funds among the 38. So last year most of the funds where it is generating more than 7.4, almost 23 funds were generated last 1 year. Absolute return is more than 7.4. Okay, in 3 years CAGR, most of the funds are generating a 6.7 and a 6.5. Some of the funds are a 6.6, and in this category some are them are 6.4 or 6.3. So let me start. And also we are finding one more category, SEBI risk category. So one funds are low risk, some funds are moderately low, and some funds are slightly moderate. So let me filter that to find a better one, and based on the risk category. So moderate or low. So how many funds we have seen? Only one funds which is a very low risk category, and it is generating you 7.7 last 1 year, and 3 years CAGR it is almost 6.4, I think. Okay, 6.41, and 3 years CAGR that was generating. We are not focusing for a long term, so this is what a short term purpose which you are finding out the fund. Okay, so let me find a moderate funds. So only low fund is we find it only one. So instead of that we can go with the moderate. Okay, so we have a moderate, that means it is comparatively moderate low, and this is what slightly high. And this kind of category where it has generated almost 7.3 one year and 6.62 in last 2 years. So we will try for a moderately low. So we have almost 34 funds are moderately low because it's a liquid category. So even this category we are filtering out the some funds we are going to get it. Okay, so let me filter out 1 year return. So most of the funds, the lower return and 7% and the higher return is 7.49. So let me, most of the funds are 7.4. So let me try last 1 year return, or even we can filter out. Let me try for this CAGR. 3 year CAGR should be greater than 7.4. If you are filtering out 7.4 to putting, I think 32. So what we are planning when CAGR 6.5. So how many funds are generating more than 6.5? Almost 28 fund. Okay, let me go for a CAGR of 6.7. Last 3 years CAGR. How many funds? So we have almost 9 funds. In this 9 funds, last 1 year return is almost higher in Edelweiss. And let me go for a CAGR. Canara Robeco Liquid Fund, it is almost unclaimed one. Almost 6.75. Remaining top 3, top 4 Edelweiss, Union, Bank of India 6.71. Okay, that's good. So even one more filter, SEBI risk at a volatility. So normally this low funds are low volatile. So let me add a one more filter of 5 year CAGR. What would happen if you are holding for a more than 5 year? Okay. In this 5 year category, Edelweiss is 5.4, almost highest one. So comparatively, in 1 year, in 5 year, and 3 year, it is reaching to the top one. And also, if you are going to filter among this 10, any of this 10 would be a better one. From that also you can filter out better ones from your need. Okay, so how we are filtering, the first one is a category, low category, and our average return 3 year and 5 year return. So in if you are looking at 5 year CAGR, so more than everyone is generating a 5.38 is the lowest and 5.54 is the highest. If I'm just adding this 5 year CAGR, there I'm just, if I'm looking for a 5.5% in 5 year basis, we will be filtering out a very few funds, only top 4. So likewise, we should filter, and in this category is almost 6.7% 3 year CAGR, and 5 year CAGR is about to 5.5, and a liquid category and moderately low. And also, so among almost 38 funds, so slightly we are filtering out with this category, even lot of filters which we can use it. And this is what a very liquid only, so we should find out only 4. This 4 are maybe good for your liquid, and you should do your own research and analysis. If it is any suitable, you can start your investing. So if you have any questions or doubts, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shows, and if you want to invest with us, just ping me on my WhatsApp, the direct link available in the description. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel.